Hello students, I hope you all had given your examination in good health. So now we will revise our answers along with its logical analysis. So moving ahead, question number 1. There are two trains. Train 1 is moving with a speed of 50 meter per second on a curved track, whereas train 2 started at point A and stopped at point B. Which train has a uniform motion? And there are four options. Option A, train 1, option B, train 2, option C, both have uniform motions, and option D, both have non-uniform motion. In both the cases, we are unable to conclude that the object achieved equal distance in equal interval of time or not. So, our answer is option D, both have non-uniform motion. Now question number 2. Two ants are moving randomly. Both started at C and managed to reach the destination point D after same time along the path shown in the figure. Now statement 1. Average speed of the ant A is 5 meter per second. Its average velocity is 2 meter per second. And statement 2. Average speed of ant B is 4 meter per second. Its average velocity is 3 meter per second. Which of the above data is or are not possible? Option A, only statement 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. And option D, none. Here, in case 2, the average speed and the average velocity will be same. So, case 2 is not possible. But in case of case 1, the average speed and the average velocity will be different, and the average speed is always greater than the average velocity as it is mentioned. So here answer is option B, that is only 2. Next, question 3. You and your friend are driving cars. The speed of your car is 24 meter per second and the speed of your friend's car is 20 meter per second. Your friend increased his speed to 20 meter per second in 2 seconds. Seeing this, you increased your speed from 24 meter per second to 25 meter per second in 2 seconds. Who accelerated faster? Option A, you. Option B, your friend. And option C, both accelerated equally. We know that acceleration equals to change in velocity divided by time taken. Here, time remains same for both the drivers, that is 2 seconds. So here acceleration depends upon change in velocity. As the change in velocity of my friend is greater than me, so acceleration of my friend is greater. So answer is option B, your friend. Next, question number 4. A boy driving a car towards right, shown in the figure, comes to rest after some time. Find the direction of acceleration of the car. Option A, towards left. Option B, towards right. Option C, the car has zero acceleration. We know that when we apply brake, the acceleration becomes negative. That means the direction of acceleration is always opposite to the direction of motion. So here Correct answer is option A, towards left. Next, question number 5. Figure on the right shows the distance time graph of three objects A, B, and C. Arrange the objects in the increasing order of time taken to complete 12 kilometers. Option A less than C less than B. Option B less than C less than A. Option C, A equals to B equals to C. And option D, A less than B equals to C. In the given graph, it is clearly visible that object B reaches the destination mentioned as 12 km faster than the object C and A, where object C reaches second and object A reaches last. So the correct answer is option B, that is B less than C less than A. Next, question number 6. We know that applying brakes decreases the speed of the car. Study the graph carefully and tell how many times did the driver apply brakes in the first 20 seconds. We know that when we apply brakes, the velocity always decreases. Here in the given graph, it is clearly visible that the velocity is decreasing twice. So it is evident that the driver had applied brakes twice. So the correct answer is option B, 2. Next, question number 7. The figure on the right represents the velocity time graph of a leopard chasing a deer. What is the total distance covered by the leopard from 10 seconds to 20 seconds of its journey? So here in this graph, we know that the option will be option C, that is area of ADE plus ABCD. Next, question number 8. You are driving a car with a speed of 40 meter per second and suddenly you saw a dead end. You started applying the brakes of the car with a deceleration of 5 meter per second square. What is the speed of the car 3 seconds after you applied the brake? And the options are 8 meter per second, 25 meter per second, 55 meter per second, and none of these. So here given is initial velocity u equals to 40 meter per second, deceleration that is minus 5 meter per second square, and time taken is 3 seconds. So using equation of motion, we get v equals to u plus at, and after putting the values of u, a, and t, we get v equals to 25 meter per second. So correct answer is option B, 25 meter per second. Next, question number 9. A car is starting from rest with uniform positive acceleration on a straight road. It travels a distance of x meter in first second. How much distance will the car travel in second second? Options are x meter, less than x meter, more than x meter, none of the above. In the uniform acceleration, we know that velocity increases uniformly. So as velocity increases, distance traveled also increases with respect to time. So in the second second, the distance traveled will be more than x meter. So the correct answer is Option C, that is more than x meter. Last question, question number 10. Children are enjoying a circular ride in an amusement park as shown in the figure. The wheel is turning with constant speed. Which of these statements is are true regarding the children's motion? Statement 1. Children are moving with uniform velocity around a circle. Statement 2. The direction of motion of children is always changing during the ride. And there are four options. Option A, only statement 1 is true. Option B, only statement 2 is true. Option C, both the statements are true. And option D, both the statements are false. We know that in circular motion, speed remains constant, but velocity changes with respect to time, as direction always changes with respect to time. So here correct answer is option B. That is, only statement 2 is correct. Thank you.